evening, everyone.
My name is Aaryan Kapoor. I study in second class in Grand International Mahali.
My name is Gayatri Kapoor. I am big sister of Aaryan and I study in 4th standard in Ryan International School, Mohali. We both love each other. We make new craft and spend time each other, like by playing, by drawing, helping mother and father, and showing our creativity, like this first aid box. We will show you how Aaryan and me, we both completed Aaryan's homework, which you have given us.
This is my English and EVS homework. This is my Happy Holi card.
Look how beautiful and bright colors are there. I have made this card and Aaryan has decorated. Do you know that Aaryan is so great in decorating items?
And I have written here, होली है.
बुरा न मानो होली है. यही है हमारा इंडियन स्टाइल होली मनाने का. And this is the EVS work. This is my handwriting. I helped Aaryan in drawing in the red items and pasting the white sheet. And Aaryan helped me in gathering and collecting all these items from the home, like from the shelf and almirahs.
This is hand plaster. When our leg or hand are fractured, we use this plaster.
These are medicines. This is for the fever. And this is the medicine when we sneeze and cough.
This is cotton. When our blood came out, we will use cotton like this.
Do you know that one thing, that cotton is not a human-made thing like these type of medicines. Cotton is a natural thing made by plants. The plant is called as cotton plants. Do you know that how soft it is?
This is Borelin, an antiseptic cream.
It works till 24 hours. As you can see, I love this because when I sleep, it helps me better to sleep.
This is a type of nasal.
We have
when our nose is blocked, we use this nasal, and also this.
We have 2 nasal slanes. I have found this in the almirah and Aaryan found this in the cupboard. They both are different.
This is Move Cool Therapy Gel.
It is perfect to move our joints in pain. As the Move, there is also a variety of Move in spray bottle. Move is a liquid form of paste and this is the Move liquid form of Warrenly. Warrenly is a beautiful and smelled gel. It is used when we have to pain. In pain, we can use it in our joints like here and here.
This is Band-Aid. When we have cut in our body, small cuts mean this. I will use this. All people use this when we have small cuts.
You should know one thing, that we should never use bandages in no need, because when the bandages will finish, you will not get anything to cover your hands and it hurts so much. And the last and the main thing is the Vicks Vaporub. Vicks Vaporub is used to open our nose in winter seasons. It is so perfect. Do you know that some people sell Vicks Vaporub 20% extrally, and it is so better than Volini because Volini smells bad. And these are the things which we have collected from our house in the medical set. Do you like that? My mother said that if you will eat medicines without any reason, you will get hurt and you will get ill also, and stomach will so pain. That's why I will use empty bottles to play with them, because I don't want to hurt myself. And these are the things which we have collected. Do you like this video? Please tell Aryan in the class, because Aryan was so nervous that if he can do and if he cannot